Number 9. So y is equals to 3 tan 2x plus tan cube 2x. So we'll get its first derivative, dy over dx. So let's solve. So y prime is equals to 3. So derivative of tan 2x is secant squared. So just copy inside 2x. So derivative inside is 2x. So 2 derivative of inside is 2x is just 2 plus, so power rule, so 3. So just copy inside. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So 2x. So derivative inside is secant squared. So just copy inside. And then derivative inside is 2. Derivative of 2x. So simplify further, 6 secant squared 2x plus, so 6 secant squared 2x tangent squared 2x. So which trigonometric function has the least number? So tangent. So we will substitute. We'll find an identity to relate tangent to secant. So we know that 1 plus tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta. So we'll substitute by this one. So 6 secant squared 2x plus 6 secant squared 2x. So tangent squared, so we have secant squared 2x minus 1, right? So we'll simplify further. So 6 secant squared 2x plus, so 6 secant raised to the power 4 2x minus 6 secant squared 2x. So combine similar terms, we have y prime is equals to, so we will cancel this 6 secant squared 2x minus 6 secant squared 2x is just equals to 0. So we'll just cancel this one. Sorry for mispronunciation. So we have 6 secant raised to the power 4 2x is our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. 6 secant raised to the power 4 2x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number. So for number 11, y is equals to cosecant x minus 1/3 cosecant cube x. So we'll simplify. So y prime is equals to, so derivative of cosecant x is negative cosecant x cotangent of x minus, so 1/3, just copy the constant, so power rule, so we have 3 cosecant, so 3 minus 1 is 2 cosecant squared, so just copy inside, and then derivative inside is derivative of cosecant x is negative cosecant x cotangent of x. So derivative of inside the angle is 1. So we have y prime, so simplify negative cosecant x cotangent of x minus, so cosecant cube x, so just positive, so 1/3 times 3, so we'll cancel, so negative times negative is positive, so cotangent of x. So we will factor out, so cosecant x cotangent of x, so we factor out, so we have cosecant squared x minus 1. So take note that cosecant squared x minus cotangent squared x is equals to 1, right? So cotangent squared x, so cotangent squared x, cotangent squared x is equals to cosecant squared x minus 1, right? So we will substitute that one, so that identity, so cosecant x cotangent of x, so we have cotangent squared x, So by simplifying, we have cosecant x, cotangent cube x. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Cosecant x, cotangent cube x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.